Hello guys, good morning. How are you doing today? Uh, Happy Monday. Hello Michael, how are you? Well, volume is okay. How are you doing guys? I'm watching silver and gold right now. So, watching drop lower to take this 5-minute and 3-minute untapped fair value gap on silver. I would like to see a strong break below New York midnight open on gold. Should be a good short below this level. So, kind of low resistance to downside. Let's see if it's going to break New York midnight open. So, to anticipate drop. We got 30-minute potential sweep. It was confirmed by 3-minute OB. I'm looking for lower on silver. Like lower. So I hope it's going to balance 5-minute untapped fair value gap here. Untapped, I mean like we never traded this fair value gap. It was a breakaway gap before. So we need to see lower. Okay guys, let's see. In December, there's low liquidity on gold. Like whatever. If it's going to offer setup, we are going to trade this, right? Also watching CL, but sellers that dropped to this, it was new week opening gap, right? So we just hit 25% of new week opening gap. So I kind of would like to see slightly lower to at least feel 50%. So I hope it's going to drop lower right now on silver. We trade into this fair value gap. Yeah, looks good to drop, honestly. I would like to see we go into 670, 650 on silver. Strong bay below New York midnight open short to this. We have low resistance to downside. Maybe not like really Asia low, but looking for lower. Market still close. Guys, how's the weekend? Share with me. It's like 4 days of no trading for me. Like, Friday, yeah. Like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Dropping lower. I like it. Lovely. Yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing. So it's about to fill 5-minute fair value gap. Basically, kind of would like to see we fill completely this fair value gap. Hope it's going to drop to 665 right now. Yeah, we got closure below New York midnight open. Let's see if it's going to offer the test and then drop to this lows here. Let's see if it's going to be 1 second. If I want to put stop loss slightly above fair value gap. At least a rejection block over here, like 1.7 R. What do you think? Okay, we're gonna see here. And QES, well guys, I'm looking for a move higher to take Asia high and probably short from there. We have daily fair value gap, minor sell side right above this. So like in perfect world. Maybe? Maybe. Yeah. What do you think, guys? What is your bias on indices today? I do like how it's trading below monthly open so far. I would like to see we hitting like some sort of higher frame levels, which is still fair value gap, for example. Both yes and Q trying to respect New York midnight open, but yes. This respect is nice for me because I would like to see we going higher to this 15-minute fair value gap. Same fair value gap on NQ and probably short from there. Maybe. We're gonna see. Kind of would like to see more of drop here. Like strong reaction, but didn't feel this 5-minute fair value gap. Want to see more. Maybe asking too much. We look for the trade probably here just a bit early. Daily fair... Oh, why didn't I highlight this? I did not highlight this because I forgot. Yeah, I highlight hourly fair value gap. Yeah, I would try to short yes, probably after taking London high and Asia high. Okay. We have news at 10 p.m. to 10 p.m. Come on, Dasha. I know it's weekend, but come on. We have news at 10 a.m. So maybe a server bullet trade. Maybe. So let's see if it's going to overshort. Maybe not right now, but after market open. Strong reaction from 5 minutes. That's pretty much what I wanted, but I want to see complete fill of 5 minute fair value gap. Well, okay. Kind of stuck inside like overnight range yet. That's why I would like to see manipulation higher than short, you know? I was looking at this short in London. Yeah, Michael is here. I'm not sure if it's here right now, but he was. YouTube deleted one of my videos for no reason. Like, just pick random video, most viewed video, and delete it. Why? Like, zero reason, but YouTube decided to delete my M2 video. Who can explain the reason? They said, like, completely like random stuff, not about the video, but deleted because they wanted to do this. So I need to figure this out, how to bring this back, because I sent like message and they ignore this. Market makers. I will try to send message again. They replied like we can. That's stupid. Like stupid. Deleted for no reason, then replied this. Guys, what are you talking about? I mean, I don't understand. We confirm that your video removal appeal has been reviewed. But and actually once I sent appeal for this video, they reviewed this within like 1 minute. Of course it was person, of course. So I guess YouTube changed their bots, or I don't know what is this, because it just simply remove videos like for most not ICT, like overall trading influencers, and they don't want to bring this back. Come on, please. Stupid. Hope they're going to bring this back, because I don't want to record this again. Disappointed, guys, disappointed. Cancel. Let me reply. They don't even want to read the message that I send them. Like automatic reply, I guess. Yeah, I disappoint because of this, like, so bad. Did I miss something? I don't see any. Let me read the comments. 1 second. Okay, ICT, it's not for me. Yeah, Michael's here. Alga changed. I mean, Alga changes. Yeah, overall, like, I believe. They changed the bots or something like this. That's why they removed it. Can you reload? I mean, I can. Just I don't want to. Probably I need to improve something. I just have no idea why or what. What I need to improve something. YouTube on us. Yeah, that's stupid. Michael, did they delete something on your YouTube? Or did you send you warnings or something like this? Hello, guys. Hello. Merry Christmas in Russian. We don't celebrate Merry Christmas, but we celebrate New Year in Russia, so we call this like с Новым годом. So yeah, it's like probably it's like Happy New Year. He said in Russian. I can help him if you want. Make a post. I did that. So hope they're going to. Yeah. Russian is fun. It's like how 1 second. It's Snowman Golden. By the way, it's it's funny. Yeah, looking for this move. Would like to. I don't want to long right now. You know, before market open. Always feel kind of tricky to trade before market open, but we'll look for move after this. Short probably. Happy New Year. Russian speakers know so many languages. It's crazy. I guess it's not because we are Russian speakers. Well, like, if I want to... When I was at school, I was learning Chinese. Don't ask me anything. I remember nothing. But after Chinese, English is like nothing. Yeah, it's by the way Russian mic. Made in Russia. But I got this here. I guess you can buy this on Amazon. Chinese is hard, so yeah, and it's easy to forget this if you don't speak in this language. Because I spent 11 years in it, and like it's easy to forget this, you know. Well, let's see if you're going to get in trade. Preferably after hitting this 15-minute fair value, get probably Asia high. I mean, it's really hard, you know, it's really hard to mix. When you're trying to learn several languages at the same time, it's really hard. Because, you know, like, some English, let's say in English and in Chinese, and you're trying to mix this in your brain, and in reality, just, new camera, your quality looks amazing. No, it's not new. I guess I just makes my light a bit, like, better because it was too dark. By the way, let me see. I can just make it lighter. Oh my god, it's too light. It was like, before it was like 20. Right now I made like 35. That's why it's better. Easy to see my face right now. Well, guys, did you read news about Project X? They going to stop working with most prop firms. I'm like, well, hello Trader with a Ninja Trader again. I would say NinjaTrader is just fine. I mean, depends what you want to do there. If you like using this as charting platform, like you want to draw levels, maybe. But for executions, it's perfectly fine for me. I don't really like execute on TradingView. I only use TradingView for drawings and execute on trading on NinjaTrader. But for example, I don't really like to execute on TraderWeight. It's just kind of hard for me, I would say, to execute there. Okay. We're kind of stuck inside the range yet. Don't like anything. Let me bring my high time frame candles on my chart. Okay, NQYM. Yes, YM. Yeah, look at this VIX on daily chart right now. Oh. Until then, yeah, we have news at 10. That's right. I'm not in rush, so we'll be happy to take trade after 10 for silver bullet. I hope it's going to be something like this. Like, I do like short from here rather than from here. Just feels like I'm going to short from nowhere right now if I'm going to execute this. We do have some SMTs, but is it important? Not sure yet. You know, it's always hard for me to execute and look for SMTVs in the range. Always hard to believe in them. Like SMTVs in the range consolidation. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't really like this. We have news at 10, yes. I guess it's PMI news, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like Bitcoin is going to drop to 75k soon. I put some levels there, but I believe 75k is coming. Like, not... Did I highlight liquidity there? Not yet. Looking for sell side here. Guys, what do you think about Bitcoin? Like, it's dropping a lot. I want to see sell side in the near future. Not today, but like, I hope not. I mean, I'm holding Bitcoin as well, but like from 2017-16, but still, I don't mind the city tracement done like overall looking at structure. What about daily chart? Yeah, it failed to offer daily OB, so obviously, since it failed to take to break above this sequence of done-close candles, obviously they need to take the sell side, which is previous week low level. Yes, I guess so. It's not previous, it's like from 2 weeks ago, sell side. Like 80k, 75k, that's what I'm watching right now. We're gonna see. No, I'm holding Bitcoin like from 2017, like somewhere from here. I discussed this on my last stream. Like when I was living in Miami, it was like a long time ago. We had like 2 bedrooms apartment. 1 bedroom was for mining, and we were mining for almost like more than 1 year, by the way. Yeah. And kids, exactly. It is what it is. Yeah, we had to move to bigger house because I got pregnant in 2018. At gold, yeah, of course. Looking at gold, probably something like this. I do like low resistance to downside. Just not sure if it's going to take Asia low or probably it's going to stop somewhere here. Are you pregnant again? Don't say this. No, it was 2018. No. It's like nightmare for me right now, honestly. I know it's not good to say this, but it's true. 2 kids is more than enough. I don't want to have more kids. Like 2? Okay. 3, not okay. My kids. No, by the way, like we were mining Bitcoin for more than 1 year, and I got pregnant, we moved, and we had like 48 video cards, graphic cards, and we sold them. So yeah, then we stopped doing this. Stop at 2, exactly. More than enough. Still dancing inside the range. Well, some SMTs, but I would say we have SMT here as well. As I said, like part of consolidation, but still SMT, right? Alright, let's see if it's going to overset up for us today after 10. We have number 2. Oh, alright. How about French baby? 10 a.m. news. Hello guys who just joined. Hello, good morning. How was your weekend? How did you spend your holiday weekend? First time in my life I cooked turkey, and it was actually good. But if it's going to retrace back to New York midnight open right now and market is going to open, we can actually try to long first. It's not going to be pre-market anymore, right? MES. Music name, please. I downloaded this from YouTube. I can try to find for you. How to check, actually. 1 second. Yeah, I found this. 1 second. I will try to find for you. You like it? It's from YouTube. Nighttime. That one. Copy link. Music is this one. It's from YouTube once again. I send you link, guys. You're welcome. Guys, any trade so far? Did you take something today? Hey guys. Hello. You traded forks today. I'm still looking for setup, guys. It's Monday, we'll try to take this easy. Contract calculator. Like, see? I created this for myself first, but really, that's extremely helpful. How to check this? I mean, guys, you probably want to tell me, like, you have a brain. Like, you can calculate this in your mind. It's, like, easy. But no, guys, I do like calculator, like, much more. How can I show you this? No idea. So, but basically, guys, I created calculator in the screenshot of this. I created calculator, and yeah, I know it's like easy to say, like you can calculate this in your mind, but once again, calculator. You can enter your account size, for example, 50K, max daily drawdown. I don't know, like for TradingView, I guess it's I trade 150K. I don't remember, but I believe it's $1,250, right? Just enter here a risk amount, like you don't want to risk more than $300. Enter $300 there. It's going to calculate percent for you. Stop loss in points. For example, I'm trading ES. I don't want to risk more than $300. I'm going to enter, like, let's say 10 point stop loss. I'm going to pick micro ES, and it's going to calculate for you amount of contract. For example, let me enter this right now. $1,250, $300, micro ES, 10-point stop loss. And it's going to calculate for you. So I do like this option. And it's going to look like this. If you want to enter this data here. See? Nice stuff, right? It's mine. I can share. It's completely free. Also, I did exactly the same for consistency rule. Here's the link, guys. For consistency rule, exactly the same. For example, I'm going to show you. And I will send you link, guys, completely free for you. Because I did this for myself and I decided to share with everyone, like, why not? Here's for consistency rule. For example, here's for consistency rule, exactly the same. Because I know, like, consistency rule, everyone hates this. For example, I have Latin funded, 20% consistency rule. For example, my daily end of the day PNL, something like this. My total profit based on this profit here that I made within like 8 days, $6,325. My highest profit day, $2,000. I need to divide by 20%. And in order to meet consistency rule, I need to make 10K. So I need to $10,000 minus $6,325. I need to make extra $1,675 to meet consistency rule. I'm going to send the link right now as well. I know, like, consistency rule, just everyone hates this, but yeah, here's the link for you guys. Well, let's see if it's going to offer long for us, to short maybe later. We're gonna see. You're welcome, guys. I also use this every day. So market is open. Let's switch on 5-minute chart. No reason to stay on 3-minute chart anymore, or on 15-minute chart anymore. We do have, like, once again minor SMT at lows. Let's see if I'm going to engage in longs. Looking for long to short. So basically looking for 68.34, 68.27, like basically 50% of this move here. Five. Okay, let's see if you're going to engage. You're trying to long and queue right at market open? Oh, you're brave enough. I wish I was brave like you. All I know, like, it's kind of tricky to short this yet. But I'm looking for short all the way down to 67.87, 67.80 range. After retracement up, please. Oops. I feel like I would like to see shorts as well, but maybe just a bit early. I know, like, we're gonna see. I definitely can be just early still. Look at SPX, very open, by the way. Well. Well. Guys, do you see this? Huge. Huge. Gap. Okay, open, close, open. Wow. I mean, let's see if it's going to offer setup for us. Looking at SPX as well. You do too, R. I'm looking for higher to short it. Maybe. I didn't make yet. Market just open. Let's see if it's going to offer pump first. This is only what makes sense to me. SPX can pump like 10 points higher easily. So basically 68.15. So let's see if it's going to go here. Are you kidding me? You got what I want to see. Let's see if it's going to go here first. Full port. It sounds like a deal, but maybe just a bit early. Let's go higher. Yeah, SPX 20. No. 25% just like as first resistance level, probably. Looking for higher move first, please. SPX approaching 25%, but still has room to go higher. We need to pump hard right now. Like hard. You know, it's really hard to say like about the trade just at this specific second. If I was market maker, it's funny, but yes, I would go higher first. We're trading inside consolidation right now, so basically I will call this manipulation. And if it's ready to drop, it will drop from 15-minute fair value gap. What do you think, guys, about this? Is it possible to get? I connected accounts for today. Not going to trade a lot of accounts, probably like 5 accounts for today. Don't want to go hard on Monday after like 4 days of holiday. Would like to see higher. As you can see, pretty much just balanced move up here. Like no reason for retracement, I guess. Like, maybe if it's going to respect 1 minute fair value gap, we can try small long. Yeah, I guess. Or just going to be straight move up, like... It's possible as well. SPX needs to go higher. All I see, like 25%, like at least. But would like to see even higher. Gold, yes, gold. That's set up. Okay, on gold we're going to talk about this later. Today my view is negative. Like, you bearish? You're right. Want to check silver as well. Let me open silver on my other chart. Silver balanced 5-minute fair value gap. I do like this. We need to continue going higher. Gold TP short. I highlighted this at 42.54. Maybe Asia low, but I don't know about Asia low. I had like rejection block here. 54, like better target, I guess. Like rejection block can be part of liquidity level. Right? Like 54? You basically were looking for sell side here, right? We need to, like, there is no setup for short in my humble opinion on ES yet. Simply because we trade inside consolidation, we need manipulation higher first. That's what I think about this. SPX approaching 25%. I do like this. Such a beautiful move up here, and never to trace the 1 minute fair value gap. I mean, that's perfectly fine. Like London high, but I would say 15-minute fair value gap. Let's check out the chart real quick. Asia high. It's right at the bottom of hourly fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap slightly high at 34. So probably 34 will be nice to see. Like 68, 34, right? Well, never to trace to 1 minute fair value gap, so we can long this. What goes up must go down. Exactly. That's what we are looking for. In other words, manipulation to offer like distribution. So not going to be in rush. SPX just hit 25%. Look at this rejection so far. Not enough. Like, be still inside consolidation. That's my issue, I guess. It's better to see in 15-minute chart. I cannot say like we manipulated higher yet. That's still hard to short this. We need to break above Asia high. Truly believe in this. Not ready to short this yet. We traded this 1 minute for a value gap. What is going on? What's wrong with volatility? We have news at 1 second. I don't understand. I mean, I do understand, but it's another question. No. Why is there so much volatility right now? News at 10, like maybe they came out early? Because I see so much volatility, but I do see the rejection from 25%. That's funny. Well, what to do with this information? You know, like, you said New York midnight open trade, like, okay, but we already traded to this at 8 a.m. Like, it's not, like, necessary to see the test again. But, like, you know, everything is possible. Where's my manipulation to short this shit? Come on. You're doing something that we didn't want to see. Okay, I'm probably going to manipulation for shorts. I would like to see manipulation for shorts. That's my ideal plan, guys, that I discussed before. 1 second. Sorry guys, one sec. It was from my son's school. They said something wrong with his eye. It's red, he has some fever. And funny to say, they said like, do you want to speak with your mom? He said like, yes. And I was trying to speak with him right now in Russian. And he said to his teacher, it's funny by the way, he said to his teacher, why she speaks Russian with me? Like, why you don't want to say this to me? Because I speak Russian with him, he's trying to reply in English because he's shy to speak Russian. It was funny because I speaking with him and he's like, she speaks Russian with me. Because I speak Russian, he replies in English. Oh my god. I said, speak with your dad. He always tries to speak Russian somewhere outside. I don't know why. And nothing happened yet, right? We got ejection from 25%. That's pretty much it. Oh, gold dropped. Wow. Where do we want to see, like, from here? Wow. Guys, are we going higher still? Jumping between time frames to see, because I do want to see higher. But they're playing games right now. I don't like it. Asia low take. Oh, Asia low taken. I have different level. Rejection block taken. Oh yeah, I'm in US, guys. Pump higher, come on, stop playing these stupid games. We can short this. It's really hard to short right now. Yeah, I'm in Florida, guys. Because I was trying to ask him if he wants to go home, and I understood nothing. Well, guys, Asia high is coming. I'm looking for a move towards this 15-minute free value gap. Hard to short for me. U means untapped. Basically, we never traded to this fair value gap. Because I will look for short somewhere from here. Guys, did you see like Lucid launch new plan, Flex plan? I didn't get this yet. I'm going to buy today to try. They don't have daily loss limit and they don't have buffer. So it's nice. Gonna try them. You in short? Why in short? In my opinion, just consolidation. We still like accumulation. We need to offer manipulation. Then let's short this. It's this how I see this. Maybe I'm wrong. Nice move up. Let's hit 15-minute untapped fair value gap and let's try to look for shorts from there. We have manipulation. We have manipulation on ES. We don't have manipulation on NQ yet. Let's see if it's going to pump higher. SPX looks good. SPX broke above 25% again. I'm just watching another screen. Let's see if it's going to hit 50% of RTH gap. Like for Yes, just fine if it's going to offer short. For NQ, a bit tricky short here, but on a yes, it might look good soon. What I'm going to use for short? Main question. What I want to look for short? Maybe closure below this level? Impossible to short right now yet. Maybe we'll short below 68 Vonya to aim for 67.87. Like it can offer 40 points. Even if it's going to go higher right now, probably we'll look for short below 68 Vonya. We have news at 10. I remember, guys. I remember. On NQ, we need another leg up. On SPX, we need another move higher, like another 10 points. And another 10 points lines up with 50% of 15-minute untapped fair value gap, which I do like. 66.36, 68.36, 68.38. Somewhere there. Did it close inside? Oh, it's extremely tricky. It's really horrible long if I decide to enter from 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to hit like 50% of 15-minute untapped fair value gaps. It'd be different price with 30-minute fair value gap. Yeah, exactly. We need shorts. If it's going to drop, it's going to be exactly the same. Did I highlight this over here? No. 15-minute untapped fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to pump higher for us. Basically, I would like to see same manipulation on NQ. SPX still can pump. I hope it's going to pump. 68.26. 6 more points. This is exactly what we need. 6 more points here to hit 50% of 15-minute fair value gap. And we need another like 40 points on NQ. By the way, guys, hit the like button. Let's do giveaway today as well. I'm not to win. Who knows? If you're not going to believe in yourself, you're not going to win. I do like how yes, moving higher here, like another pump. Just NQ needs to break this London high. Michael, where did you enter? Just you use this 1 minute fair value gap. Where was your stop loss if so? I was trying to figure out where I need to execute. Initially I was looking for long from 1 minute fair value gap, but it kind of seemed strange. Because it got immediate break below this level. Seven points to make. Yeah, share. Can you share with us just where did you enter? Oh, okay. Thank you. I definitely missed something. Oh, you maybe use sweep. Could be better entry. Well, London high needs to be taken. I don't feel FOMO because I'm not going to latency entry. And I hate it, like when you expect to get the move and you simply cannot find the entry. I'm a lucky person. Come on, London high needs to be hit. Hit it! Oh. I swear I didn't see good entry. I mean, I didn't mind this 1 minute for a while ago, but this week it was confusing to me. I will be interested in Michael's video because I definitely missed something. Guys, if you're long, where did you enter? Why did you use 6812? I mean, move up was really obvious, just hard to execute this. And you know, it's hardest part in trading when you really understand that market needs to go up, but really hard to find the entry. To 34. How you enter so low? Ah, you basically entered off New York midnight open. I got it. Okay, this makes sense. Yeah, just share with me. I'm happy to learn. I mean, because I might probably miss something. I am? Well. To stop because you were trying to short? It's really, I said, like, it's really hard to try shorts with consolidation. Like, just think in terms of power of 3. 60. Oh, basically we got, you used like break above London high, the test, and oh, okay, good long. What is your TP? I agree, like, I didn't find logical entry as well. That's why I'm interested in Michael's video. It was kind of hard. Like, we got SMT and what else? Well, guys, let's focus right now because we're sitting inside main area that we were looking for before. Partial London high. What I was looking for, 15-minute untapped for a while gap. It's not untapped anymore, but it was my area for potential reversal. Where's my laptop? So let's see if it's going to offer short from here. Not like right now, but 3-minute OB probably is going to be entry. Okay. Trying to log into TradeView right now. Going to trade my account as well. Well, let me move this. This is on 5-minute chart. Let's see high time frame candles. One hour British unicorn. Nope. Oh, you mean this one, right? We're chasing the OT right now. So if it really wants to drop, it will drop here, not higher. If it wants to go higher, it will break above 15-minute free value gap, will offer like strong move up. Let's see. If it really wants to drop, it will drop from here, not higher. But we don't have short setup. I'm just saying. Wow. 30-minute candle. Just wow. We can call a change in 1 second. That one? Basically, yes. But, you know, it's trapped already and offered SMT at lows. I mean, right now, since we're sitting inside OT in 15-minute untapped fair value gap, if it's not going to offer short right now, like within the next 15 minutes, it will be bullish bias until the end of the day. That's why I don't want to like blind the short yet, because we don't have, it's bullish candle on 30-minute chart. We don't have like short setup here. I'm just saying like if it wants to drop from here, it will be like right now or within the next 15 minutes. But if it's going to break above 15 and untapped fair value gap on both ES and Q, it will continue going higher. Until the end of the day, probably. Guys, 300 likes and probably will run giveaway. Kind of hard. Let's check hourly chart real quick. You know what we have right now on hourly? Internal, I call this internal order block over here. Obviously not that smart to enter long right now. Oh, thank you, Michael. I'm gonna see right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm going to watch right now because I need to see your entry. Oh, okay. I miss this. Thank you for recording this. That's exactly what I was watching for. Oh, you included... Okay, you included this volume imbalances, alright. You got nice executions because it's exactly what I wanted to see as well. Okay, good job. Good job, nice trade. I wish this 1 minute and first minute free roll gap was like a bit more obvious after such a big drop here. Yeah, okay. Alright. No complaints. Good trade. You know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to highlight OT here. So guys, horrible OT. Because if the zone is going to be respected, like it can be just short, quick short to the zone first. I want to see this first. Why I'm looking for like retracement here, just too bullish on 30-minute chart. Well, okay. Guys, what do you think about like retracement down to OT? You bullish or bearish right now? I mean, it looks a bit tricky just at this specific second to me because it's 30-minute candle. Look at this 30-minute candle, like extremely bullish. Minor SMT at highs. Should I look for like reversal or retracement? I believe retracement, right? I called this black line as potential like 3-minute OB since we got sequence of up-close candles over here. Maybe it's going to be smart to use just one up-close candle here. Yeah, probably we'll get only retracement. Hello, guys. Maybe I will change my mind and look for long from OT. Is it normal to flip your bias during the day? I feel like I want to flip my bias if it's going to respect OT. To long this. Yeah, I guess so. Not 100% sure I'm going to flip the bias, but maybe. Probably yes. If OT respected, we'll look for long. We stop loss below OT. That will be the plan. Maybe something like this. Not going to put limit on it because I don't know if it's going to respect OT or not. But I hope so. It's going to retrace to OT first. Will not trade big size here. Probably like 4 or 5 micros to start. Let me check. I have some vowels. Let me check how much I need to make to pass them. I have lots of vowels. When I'm going to pass them, they're going to go to nowhere, actually. Because I already found that like almost maximum with any accounts. I guess this one wasn't... Oh, it wasn't in drawdown. Why I was thinking it's in drawdown then? It's not in drawdown. So we don't need to recover them from drawdown. I have one account which is like up 0.7%. Yeah, we will trade this one. It's basically break-even accounts. It wasn't a huge drawdown, but right now basically break-even. Well, finding ticks. Some vowels weren't drawdown. Value area low 372. Also 50% to 15-minute fair value gap. On gold, nothing anymore. We had low resistance on the side, that's what I wanted to see. Let's see if it's going to retrace to OT, please. And probably we'll try to long this if it's going to respect this area. Okay, funding ticks, accounts basically at break-even, so not a big deal. If it's going to retrace to OT and will respect, we'll try with 5 micros. Stop loss, not sure yet, but probably around like 8-10 points. 10 points, 5 micros, it's around like $250 stop loss, so that's why I don't want to trade bigger size. So yeah. Let's see. Just feel like maybe I'm going to be a bit early with entry. I'm going to engage right now, which is, by the way, perfectly fine to engage right now. But since SPX hit like OT of this RTH gap, I would try to retrace back down over here. Just thinking out loud right now. Guys, what do you think about longs from OT? Below OT, forget about this. So for now, like I'm looking for the retracement reversal. Will flip my bias because initially I was bearish from 15-minute up fair value gap, short all the way down to Asia low and minor sell side over here. But if it's going to respect OT, I may give it a try. Will flip bias at least for AM session. I don't know, like, not ready to long this yet. Only if it's going to be respect of OT. Yeah, I'm right now looking for reversal retracement. Why? Because I'm just trying to follow my initial plan. If OT respected, I will flip my bias. As I said before, I don't see reason to long just yet. Maybe I'm blind, probably blind. But I wouldn't long from here unless it respects OT. So let's see. I'm just trying to follow the plan first. As said before, break below 68.20 will be short. Remember we discussed this before. Close this one. Doesn't want to close below this up close candle, so doesn't want to offer order block yet. And Q at the same time looks a bit more bullish. We need this OT retracement so bad. Yes, Ross, exactly right. On yes, closure above 68.42 will signal long as well. But I would try to look for long from here or from here. Not from current level. Because kind of we sit inside bearish premium ray, right? But it's like goal like 300? Maybe if it's going to be like 280, I will count this as well. I will do Lucid today. By the way, let me see if my codes work for new plan. 1 second, I'm gonna check for you. Because they're running new plan right now. I'm gonna check if my codes work. I have codes for giveaway, but basically I have codes for myself as well. I'm doing accounts. I'm giving away all accounts I have, guys. I don't even spend these accounts for myself. Okay. How to buy account? Like flex, 50k, select platform, Ninja Trader, of course. Why do you even asking me? I'm gonna check if this code works. No? Okay. I will do for the regular one then. Yeah, I will do Discord as well. Okay, of course, guys. Yes, kind of stuck here, so basically doesn't want to close below up close candle to offer order block. Guys, hit the like, let's run giveaway. Lucid accounts for today. You took the short. Which short did you take? Or long, like from here. I'm not in trade yet. I said, like, I would try to long somewhere from here. Like, we have big fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to retrace. Like, not traded so long this yet. I will not feel FOMO if it's going to, like, offer, like, big upper close candle here yet. If it's going to close above 68.42, maybe I will look for long. But for now, I'm looking for move lower first and then try to long. I'm not going to flip my bias from bearish to bullish just yet because it's very important for me to respect this OT to long, actually. Flex looks good. I will ask, because I have codes for a regular plan, like regular evaluation. I will ask Lucid if they can adjust these codes for Flex as well, okay? For today, I will do regular evaluations, but I will ask right after stream if they're going to adjust the rest of codes for Flex as well. Drop it, drop it, drop it, please. I'm not looking for short yet. I'm just following my original plan based on 15-minute chart. We retraced to OT of this move down here. We traded to a premium bearish PD ray, like FA, right? And if it's going to drop from 15-minute fair value gap. Where are we going to look for short? I'm going to look for shorts, as I said before. So basically below 68 won, below OT, not ready to short yet. We got like huge move up here. 30-minute candle looks quite bullish. I don't want to like engage in shorts yet because I can anticipate like bullish day to day if it's going to respect OT based on current 30-minute candle. We are going to have giveaway, yes. That's why for now I'm looking for OT and then we will see if I need to flip my bias to bullish or not. Okay? I don't know yet. Initially, like I want to see we going where we are right now, then I want to short. Like I want to see big short. But everything can change. We're gonna see. Hard to say for now. Just OT. Okay, 50%. Mine SMT, but feels quite choppy. Why you're... I just answered this question. Like 15 seconds ago. Just long from current area looks quite tricky. I mean, I believe like you can translate any YouTube video to different language. For example, it can be Spanish, Portuguese, like Chinese. Like just open YouTube, like click the video and find the gear icon like at the bottom. And you can select language. I believe so. Maybe not every single YouTube video, but most of them. How to control emotions. Hard to say. Like, you need to have kids. You will understand this better. Probably. Hard to say. Yeah, it's not going to appear for every single video, I believe, right? But I have like under each video. Those keys need to be mine. Daniel, you're funny. How do you get the bias? I mean, it's really hard to explain. You're just looking like at overall picture and thinking, you want to think in terms of power of 3 accumulation, manipulation, distribution all the time, right? You want to think in terms of like expansion, consolidation, expansion, retracement, reversal, like also this kind of moves. If you're going to get a consolidation, expansion right after this consolidation, obviously it's going to be another expansion right after this. On gold, no. What I saw on gold, only short. I mean, short was from here. I mean, yeah. We have low resistance on the side, we can drop to Asia low easily. But this retracement up, it's quite wild. But as long as you're below New York midnight open, yeah, totally possible to see continuation lower. We have floor flat candle lower at 42.09. By the way, I believe it's all equal highs. Target here was basically rejection block of 5-minute candle here. Guys, any trade so far? You're looking for short? If so, what is your TP? Let's try to compare analysis, because quite tricky and boring right now. You're looking for Asia low, right? Thank you. Hello, Steve. Let me delete for now because I'm not going to long this yet. Oh, good trade. Who took another short on gold? I'm bearish right now, but I will flip my bias to bullish if it's going to respect OT. We'll look for short below OT. Original plan. That's pretty much it. $25K. My friend wants to see 120, I believe. He said 120. Let me make sure. Yeah. He said he wants to see a major sell set at 118. Yeah, hold. Like run, just trail your stop loss. We hit the area, OT area here finally. Interesting charts on NQ. NQ looks a bit more bullish. Overall gold like was quite obvious, like drop. We had low resistance on the side, like everything was okay to short. Silver was a bit like garbage because I wanted to drop. Basically, we got this drop to fill this gap, 5-minute untapped fair value gap. But like this retracement, like absolutely unnecessary retracement. It traded back to 3-minute fair value gap. Didn't really see the point yet. Yeah, Ross, exactly right. So basically, NQ looks bullish, but ES trying to offer bearish bias right now. It's tricky. Guys, hit the like, let's run giveaway. 100 more likes and I will do giveaway. We look for a short below 68.21. We'll take partial at Asia at New York midnight open, Asia low, and we'll leave runner to minor sell side at 67.87 if it's going to break this level. Yeah, right? 72, I would say like we have at 75, we have 50% of 50-minute fair value gaps. Like 72, 75. You shorted from 37. Oh, okay. Actually, good entry. Like, it was good 10-point scalp, at least. Since, like, your stop loss at break-even, just hold it. Keep trailing your stop loss. You use 2-minute free volley gap for entry? Alan, what did you use? It's trying, yeah. But still will be interested in trading. Yes. Pavel speaking today? I didn't know about this. Where is my Forex Factory? 1 second. Oh, 8 p.m.? 8 p.m.? Come on. Like, you need to sleep at this time. Come on. Okay, looking for potential short. It's quite big stop loss. Looking for short right now, guys. Trying to break 70.5%. It just broke 21. Let's see if we can engage in shorts. We have 2-minute inversion, 3-minute inversion, not 2-minute inversion. What else do we have? We have 5-minute inversion. We don't have shift in structure on side just yet, but we do have on 2. Kind of looking for. Okay, guys. Once end, I will show you. Like, don't want to say like I'm looking for short. We'll enter the trade and we'll show you. Because still respecting OT. What about in Q? Felt like 50%. Alright. Let's check SPX. SPX trying to respect OT, which by the way looks good. You know, like on SPX, that's perfectly fine to see reversal here from 62%. And I don't mind to see like bigger drop. You have some minor sell side here. Oops. Come on, Dasha. What about it's 5-minute chart? Okay, 3-minute chart. Yeah, I would scalp to New York Midnight Open probably. Going to delete this fair value gap from my chart. Delete. If I'm going to enter at 24, we'll put stop loss at like 14 points for micros. It's around like $280. Just trying to calculate potential risk, guys. 1 second. It's going to be around like 1-to-1. Not a deal. 1-to-1. I need at least like 1.5 R. Okay, guys, I'm going to wait. I don't like risk reward yet. I mean, if it's going to displace, maybe I will change my mind. Just so far, it's like around like 1 hour if I want to engage. Yeah. Break below this level. If I'm going to put fair value gap above, stop loss above this level. 1.5, already better. Yeah, something like this, guys. May try. I have like 3 accounts basically at break even. It wasn't a huge drawdown, so I can try on them. So looking something like this, guys. Let's hit 300 likes, like 90 more likes. I will do giveaway. So yeah, basically break below OT. We'll try the short. We'll put my stop loss above fair value gap. Slightly above fair value gap. It's going to be around like 10 points, 11 points to make. Yeah, we're gonna see. Hard to say right now. Okay, guys, let's see. Something like this. Like it. I'm coming every day, basically. Like Thursday, Friday was bank holiday. I didn't trade this. Looking for short? TP? I don't know, like TP. It's not perfect risk reward, just don't have any other options. New York Midnight Open? I know about stop loss as well. Like logically above fair value, I don't know yet. You give me some time. It's not going to be perfect risk reward, especially for partial, like around like 1 hour. Keep weekend below OT. Hope to engage. I'm not on trade yet. You look different today? I mean, maybe different hair color? Maybe. Something like this, guys, I will adjust once I enter the trade. Don't want to, like, show you risk reward because not in this trade. Looking for trade somewhere from here. 2-minute chart. Three-minute chart. Come on, like second when they decided to start to trading, like it decided to consolidate. Well, gold. Gold has Asia low and for flat candle lower. Like, but flat candle like 50 points lower. SPX. Yeah, SPX also confirms this idea. Once OTE broken should be easy short. Like, no, nothing is easy in trading, right? Like, it's going to be like kind of obvious trade. Okay, let's see. Let me jump between time frames to see what else we can use for confirmation. This for value gap looks good. We have inversion 50-minute chart. I just noticed this, by the way. 30-minute chart right now looks extremely tricky. You know, like we got huge up close candle, kind of like big down close candle. But shorts looks... Guys, you bullish or bearish? You want to short this? I want to short this. Idea, once again, break below OT. Not sure about stop loss, like really have no idea. Probably fair value gap. Partial, TP. Like ideal TP over here. Just need to break this OT. 296. Basically looking for OT. All right. Partial. Try and let's see. TP2. TP. Guys, what do you think? When's the equals? Give me the price, please, so it's going to be easier for me. On NQ? No idea. I don't trade NQ. It's for years. Inversion. It's about to offer 3-minute inversion as well. 3-minute inversion? Yes, 3-minute inversion. We broke below OT. The test short. It's Monday. Yeah, that's why, like, maybe a couple of micros. Just to see how it goes. Well, guys, my original plan was on point, I guess. We got break below OT, 18 seconds left on this candle, so I believe it's going to close below this level. So it's going to be an validation of bullish bias. I think so. Depends where we're going to close in 10 seconds, of course. The test short. Just 1 micro? No, like it's impossible to take partials. Like 3 micros maybe? I don't know. We got the closure below OT. At the same time, we got OT on NQ. Alright. The test of OT so far. Like alt or OT, if I can say so. Still flat. I'm funny? Of course. That's why I'm here. To make your life better. Let's see if it's going. I'm going to execute this. We got the test of OT. At least it's going to be easier to understand stop loss. Mine SMT with YM. Oops. Wow, YM actually dropped a lot already. YM also traded to this daily fair value gap. Also. Yeah, also actually, because we trade everywhere. Feels like quite consolidation yet. You're trying too long? Tanya, Agent Cap are longs. Okay, guys, forget about shorts. Don't tell me only me looking for short. Okay, it doesn't sound nice. Well. Like, everyone trying to long? Well, like, never mind. No one is going to short then. I'm kidding, but okay. They probably trying to long NQ because NQ looks a bit more bullish. I'm flat right now, but honestly, I'm looking for shorts. Only yes, NQ looks a bit more bullish. But you destroyed my plan, guys. Why you told me like someone trying to long? I'm gonna sit flat then for now. Let me delete this for now since I'm flat. But I'm not going to look. I'm looking for like New York midnight open retest. Dun, 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 dun. And Q respected OT. That's actually nice. But we invalidated OT on yes. We have 2-minute bullish OB. Trying to retest 2-minute fair value gap right now. Let's see what will happen next. Minor retest. I'm looking at SPX as well. SPX didn't take any like significant liquidity levels lower. I don't have private Discord, by the way. Oh, I'm not in trade right now. I'm going to show you. I wanted to short, but I didn't enter yet. I mean, maybe I still want to do this. Just everyone said like Tanya Jade Cap, like Ash in longs. I'm looking for short. I'm like, I feel like I'm alone with this, so I changed my mind for now to short this. It's 10:41. Guys, hit the like 70 more likes. I will do giveaway. I mean, guys, if it's going to offer like strong displacement right now, I will short. Like, I don't care about the result at this point because I just trying to trade what I want to see, not what I see, what I want to trade. Just not going to listen to anyone. Just trying to make some fun about this. But yes, if it's going to displace right now lower, I will try short. As I said before, like nothing changed. Just trying to follow the plan. Kind of consolidating so far. Let's see if it's going to like offer something. I'm still flat, guys. I wouldn't short in Q either, so you're not alone with this. I'm bullish on Q, but I feel like ES looks a bit more bearish. That's why it's confusing. Why short? I basically want to see the test of New York midnight open and Asia low. We hit bearish PD ray on hourly. That's why. But guys, you're confusing me right now. Do you see longs yet? I don't. Like, even if I want to consider this potential 30-minute sweep, with like 3-minute order block is going to be like here. All right. You see nothing? I mean, me too. I see more shorts on ES, more longs on NQ. That's annoying. But okay. But I'm not going to use in anyone. If I will see displacement lower, I will try short. Sorry about this. I'm not going to say copy me because probably everyone longs right now. I just wanted to see if it's going to play out. Daniel, where did you enter? I mean, I want to short as well. And Q expected OT. That's only my concern, I guess, since NQ looks a bit more bullish. YM looks bearish, but I'm just wondering where NQ when ES is going to be bullish again. 5-minute inversion, 5-minute dollar block, what? On 3-minute chart, no reason to consider 3-minute OB. We got just straight move, slow straight move down on 3-minute chart. Let's check NQ. Let me do like this. Because NQ, just at this specific second, looks better. Who bought a dip? I mean, not me. Additionally, I want to short. Just for now flat because I didn't enter short yet. But probably I'm not going to enter short. Just going to wait for something, maybe doing lunch. Pump it. Okay, we got a signal for longs. I didn't like for longs that it broke this OT. But at the same time, NQ didn't break this level. I mean, I'm fine to just wait. As I said, recently best price action happens before 10, which we got, by the way, over here, or after 12, between 12 and 1 p.m. So we may actually get set up still. What a garbage. I'm fine with 100 point stop loss if it's like 3 micros. No, 3 micros is a lot. 2 micros. Guys, 40 more likes, I will do giveaway. Because nothing is going on right now in the market. Six micros. One. I mean, I guess that's fine for your risk management. Just risk $300, $400 per trade. It's just a lot for me. But 2 micros, that's fine. $20 more likes, we'll do giveaway. We really need to like look for setup before 10. Like every single day setups happens on yes before 10. So like it's third week in a row. Okay, let me load the bot for giveaway. Next. $20 more likes for giveaway. Guys, 20 more likes for giveaway. Hit the like, please. I missed that early, just like at least show an attempt to participate. Let's do lucid accounts for giveaway. See 10 more likes. We can actually start. Yeah, let's start. Let's do this word. For finding ticks, I will find out if I can do this. Just enter this keyword, that's it. I will send you accounts right after stream. You have 2-minute order block. Configure. Okay, delete. I have syllabus for ICT. If you're interested in this. So we're about to get 5-minute inversion for value gap. We're about to get 3-minute order block as well. Yeah, enter this keyword. Yeah, in Q2 bullish. I'm not going to consider this as SMT. NQ looks way more bullish. Probably it will go to monthly open right now. Didn't it test New York midnight open? That's fine, I guess. NQ did. Okay, guys, let's do 2 more minutes for this account. I'm going to do 2 accounts for today. We got 3-minute OB right now. I guess let's do 1 more minute for this account. I will do one more right after this. We got a test of internal hourly OB on both ES and NQ. NQ also retraces OT. Once again, NQ was very bullish from the very beginning. Yes, at the same time, look more bearish. And YM look more bearish. Okay, guys, let's announce first winner. First winner is John. Cannot read this. Are you in the chat? You here? I will pick second winner. Can you please add email to description of your YouTube for me so I can send your account? Oh, you have it. Okay. I see. Congratulations. We'll pick another winner in 5 minutes. Let's focus on trading a little bit. Flat, guys, for now. I wanted to short from here, I'm not going to lie. Didn't take it. Really, I wanted to flip my bias if it respected OT. Since it broke OT with kind of big down close candle here, I was like, looks a bit more bearish right now, and I want to short from here. Didn't enter short, but probably we're gonna see. NQ respected OT, so if ES did exactly the same, it could be perfect long, but in reality, NQ was bullish, ES was, in my opinion, a bit more bearish. Yeah, I will do another account for giveaway. Let's see what we have over here. We have monthly open. We have like liquidity level here. Basically Sunday high, right? I believe lunch session will be good. Yeah, tricky for me as well. And Q can go all the way up to monthly open right now, like another 70 points higher. We have Sunday high higher as well. If NQ wants to expand, it will go to those two levels. I would say maybe yes as well. It's not that far, like 20 points away from Sunday high. Consider potential 30-minute sweep. We just got 3-minute OB here. Like, in order to confirm potential 30-minute sweep, we need to have order block. Like, yeah, not perfect example of OB here, but still. Not going to be too R if I'm going too long right now. SPX, I tested, as you can see, OTU for RTH gap again. We got basically a move from nowhere here. Like reversal from nowhere. Okay, let's do another keyword. ICT shorted. How? What I'm missing? It's not my day today. Here's keyword, guys, for you. Definitely not my day today. I will look for stop like between 12 and 1. If nothing, then probably no trades for me the rest of the day. I don't like to say very bad price action, just not for me. Yeah. We look for setup like once again during the launch. If once again nothing, then probably not going to trade PM session. We're gonna see. Okay, guys, let's do one more minute. I will steam PM session as well. Okay, guys, let's pick the winner. Last winner. Options Trader K. You won. Are you in the chat? Are you in the chat? We're gonna wait for you. Are you here? Let us know. Hello? I will give him 30 more seconds because I see he is in the chat. Please say it's me. I need to know you here. Oh, finally. Can you please add email to the description of your YouTube? Add email to the description of your YouTube for me. Thank you. Well, guys, I will see you today at 1 p.m. on Tradify TV. I will look for setup at 12. I don't know if it's going to present something right now. Sitting flat. Hope to get on trade. Not going to lie, I wanted to short from here. Didn't enter. Kind of NQ confused me, but probably for good, right? So yeah. Feel kind of tricky with bias right now. Wants to see, like, I want to flip my bias to bullish if it's going to respect OT. It broke this level at the same time, like, kind of looked tricky. And look at this week. Obviously, I want to see this low taken. So guys, we will see. Not sure about what I want to see yet. Feels tricky to me. Okay, guys, I will see you at 1 p.m. today at Tradify TV. Don't make stupid mistakes. I will look for another trade, but once again, I hope to get something. If not, then not. See you soon, guys. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. By the way, can you please leave the comment under this post? So maybe YouTube will see this message. So we need to bring my video back. Can you please leave the comments under this post? Like, something. So we need support this. We need to bring this back. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Bye, everyone.